Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Third chapter algebra exercise 3.12. Seventh sum. Music is being played in two opposite galleries with certain group of people. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing. So, in the first gallery, a group of 4 singers are singing. So, this is the first gallery. And in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. So, in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. Second gallery. The two galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meters. So, the distance between these two is given as 70 meters. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? So, if the distance between these two, the first gallery and the second gallery is given as 70 meters. So, if a person want to hear both the singers, that is this side voice also, this side voice also, if we want to hear with the same intensity, where he has to stand. So, that position only, this point or that point, like that position only we are asked to find out. Okay. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Here 9 singers are singing, here only 4 singers. So, accordingly the intensity also will vary. So, we have to find out the position where the person has to stand to hear both the voice in the same audibility. Okay, so for that a hint is given. The ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distances. Okay, so we'll take the distance from here, from the second gallery, we'll let the distance be, we'll take it as D. So 1, if we are taking it as D, so 70 minus D. So 1 distance, for suppose if we take at this point, he has to stand means from here to here the distance is D, and the remaining, since the total distance is given as 70 meter, so the remaining distance will be 70 minus D. Okay, so we'll take, let the distance from the second gallery, let the distance from the second gallery, be D meters. Okay, so we'll take it as D meters. Since the hint is given, the ratio of the sound intensity. So, the ratio of the sound intensity will be, intensity means 4 by 9 will get. Here 4 singers and this one will be 9 singers. So, we'll take this as the first one, numerator. That is 9 by 4. The ratio of the sound intensity. So, we'll take it as, from the second we are taking. So, it is 9 by 4, not 4 by 9. 9 by 4 will take. So, the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So, from here to here, we are taking the distance as D. So, the square of that. So, D squared minus 70 minus D the whole square. Okay. So, the ratio of the sound intensity is 9 by 4 is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distances. So, from the second gallery, the distance is D and the other one is 70 minus D. So, square of that. So, we will simplify this and find the distance here. Okay. So, here this one will be 9 into 70 minus D the whole square is equal to 4D square. So, this one we will expand it in A minus B the whole square. So, A squared is 4900 minus 140D, 2AB. So, minus 140D plus D squared is equal to 4D squared. So, now we will multiply this 9 inside. So, it will be 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 44. So, 44100 into 9 minus 14 into 9 is 126. So, 1260D plus 9D squared is equal to 4D squared. So, now we will bring this 4D squared also to this side. So, it will be 9D squared minus 4D squared plus minus 1260D plus 44100 is equal to 0. So 9d squared minus 4d squared is 5d squared minus 1260d plus 44100 is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation here. So since all the three terms are the factors of 5, we will divide it by 5. So dividing throughout by 5, we will get d squared minus 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 252 into d plus 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10. So 8820 is equal to 0. So d squared minus 252d plus 8820 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we will find the factors of this. We will take 8820 divided by 5 will take. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 6s are 30, 5 4s are 20. Then with 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 4, 4, 1. Then in 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Then with 7 table, 7 2s are 14, 1. Then again with 7, 7 3s are 21. So these are the factors. We will check with what if we multiply, if we add these things, we have to get 252. That is, multiply all these things, we will get 8820. That is sure. But when we combine these terms into two different numbers, we have to get 252. When we add two numbers from these factors, we have to get 252. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, then 7 7s are 49 into 3, 2, 147. So 147 and this one we won't get this. Then 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 5 2s are 10, so 210. Then 7 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Yes, we will get. So 210 and 42. When we add these two numbers, we will get 252. So d squared minus 42d minus 210d plus 8820 plus 8820 is equal to 0. Okay, so d into d minus 42. So if it is d minus 42 here, outside it is 210. So 1 is d minus 42. So this is minus into minus plus. So 1 is d minus 42. The other one is d minus 210 is equal to 0. Okay, so now d is equal to 42 and the other one is 210. Okay, so now where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singers? So if d is 42, distance is 42, then the other distance is 70 minus 42. If we take here, the distance is given as only 70 meters. So this distance 210 is not possible. Okay, so this one is not possible. So we'll take the d as 42 and 70 minus 42 is 28. Okay, so the distance is 42. So when he is standing from here, that is at 42 meters, he can able to hear both the intensity equal. Okay, the person has to stand 42 meter from second gallery and 28 meter, 70 minus 42 is 28 meter from first gallery. This is how it has to be written. Okay, thank you.